The position of the air termination system is considered to be adequate if the structure to be protected is fully situated within the protected volume provided by the air termination system. Air terminating system is positioned where A. Tip of an air termination rod, B. Reference plane, OC. Radius of protected area, H1. Height of an air termination rod above the reference plane of the area to be protected, and alpha. Protection range. As an example, the design of air termination using the protection angle air termination design method can be understood by the figure where 1. Air termination mast, 2. Protected structure solar PV module array in our case, 3. Ground being the reference plane, 4. Intersection between the protection cones, 5. Separation distance, and alpha. Protection angle complying. Here you can see the rolling sphere radius, mesh size, and protection angle. The methods of lightning protection design method are dependent on the type of air terminal to achieve optimum lightning protection. 1. Position angle method, 2. Rolling sphere method, 3. Collection volume method, 4. Charge emission type. The air terminal placement method and the rolling sphere method is shown here. The Dynasphere enhanced air terminal looks as indicated in the figure. The charge emission type lightning arrestor will look as shown in the figure. This depicts the average number of thunderstorm days in India. This photograph indicates the dispersed type lightning arrestor behind the array of PV module. This is an indication of damage happened with the improper selection of lightning arrestor. This is a photograph of lightning arrestor which is not installed at the appropriate place. Here the lightning arrestor is installed at much lower height compared to the antenna for communication. This slide indicates as to how the cable routing for the lightning arrestor should be. It should not have right angle turning while routing the cable.